Bismillah. If you've ever used every skincare product you can think of and you still thought, why does my skin look tired? You're not seeing that natural glow? This video might change how you think about that natural glow forever. Because the glow most people chase with those serums, it actually starts inside. And today I'm going to share with you how Moringa and black seed oil can transform your hair and your skin completely. Without any negative side effects, without costing you a ton of money, and with real results that will last inside and outside. And I'm going to show you the right way to do this because most people don't know this little secret. Let me ask you, how long have you noticed that your skin was not glowing? Most people would notice around their 30s. And it's not usually because you're doing anything different. It's just because as you age, your cells, they're not getting what they need anymore. And this is where Moringa and black seed oil come in. Now there's two ways that you can use both of these. And you're going to get great results no matter which way you choose. So let's start with the Moringa. Moringa has over 50 nutrients for your body. That's including vitamins and minerals. Do you know it even contains protein? Yeah, it does. And it has almost all the building blocks that you need for your hair and your skin and to give that natural glow. Moringa can actually feed your cells. It's really great to start using it as it can give your skin a more deeper hydration, increase the elasticity. It also helps to strengthen your hair and start to give that soft glow to your skin. But here's a mistake I see most people making with Moringa, and that is that they're using it by itself or they're just using Moringa oil. Now you know you can have Moringa in capsules and take it also internally. So you don't have to apply it on your skin. And this is where I think it's a game changer and something you should really try, but not by itself. Moringa is best to use along with black seed oil, and I'll explain that in a minute. The best way to see that glow start happening right away is to be using Moringa capsules and taking 2 to 4 capsules every day. And this is step 1 of this 2-part process because this is a real secret that most people aren't getting. It's not just one thing. It's 2 things together that really start to make incredible results happen. Now, why Moringa is best to take internally is because we need it to get into the bloodstream, all those nutrients, because it's loaded with nutrients. And if you're just applying it on the surface, it's not getting everywhere it needs to get. So that natural glow, it doesn't come because of surface treatment and lotions that you put on top. It comes from inside, that health, vitality of your body shining through. And you're not going to see that shine through unless you're going to have enough nutrients coming in. And the right amount of nutrients is a big factor, especially for your hair, which is a nutrient hog. And sadly, these two are the last parts of your body that your system would send the nutrients if it's low somewhere else. And it doesn't take long. You can start taking Moringa capsules and take them for about 3 to 6 months to really saturate your system with nutrients to start seeing a lot of benefits happening. But the real game changer for amazing results would be using the black seed oil with the Moringa. Now, black seed oil is something you can use both. You can use black seed oil on the surface as well as internally. I take them both, Moringa and the black seed oil, and they do amazing things for your body. Too much to list in this video. Glowing skin is definitely going to be a result if you start using both of these together. It is a perfect secret combination that not many people know about. Black seed oil can not only nourish your body, but it helps to correct a lot of problems that are in your body. It is also extremely high in fighting any kind of inflammation that you have. People who take black seed oil, they notice calmer skin, fewer breakouts, much stronger hair, healthier, longer hair growth. They even have better digestion, a much more stable energy. And their skin also becomes much more balanced. You'll notice that it doesn't have inflammation. It's not going to be red or breaking out. You're not going to have spots. It'll become a much more even complexion, glowing inside and out. And here's what's interesting. Because Moringa and black seed oil are super high inflammation fighters, you'll notice that your inflammation levels dropping inside your body are reflecting through your skin. And your skin will naturally start to glow as that dullness starts to fade. So if you want to see real results and that natural glow right away, here's what you need to do. You need to be taking that Moringa capsules. You can get them at almost any health food store. And you need to be taking about 4 capsules a day for 3 to 6 months. With that, you have to be using the black seed oil along with it. Black seed oil doesn't taste very good, but it's okay. You can take 1 spoon of black seed oil and mix with that a half a spoon of honey. And this alone is good enough. You can swallow it just like that. And you can take this any time of day with food or without. And if it still seems too strong for you, you can take that black seed oil, a spoon of it, and a spoon of honey and mix it in a glass of water and drink that. That should be easy to swallow. So you're making sure that you get inside the moringa and the black seed oil. Very important. These two are super fighters and will really clean out your whole body, restart your systems, really rejuvenate yourself from the inside out. And now for the outside, you need to be applying that black seed oil also on the outside. And it's really simple. Just wash your face, clean, and as your skin is still wet, apply a few drops of black seed oil in your palm and massage that over your face. And that's it. And the natural glow will start happening from the inside out once your body starts to get those nutrients that it's needing. And you should really see a difference with the moringa and the black seed oil. There are a lot of things that affect your skin, especially your stress level and your timings, your internal balance. And this is actually why I created my Glow Up program, because people keep asking me, why isn't this working for me? And the answer was never the product. It was the timing, your internal balance, your nervous system support, and your internal building blocks that were missing. And if you're tired of guessing and you want to know more about how to get that natural glow all the time and why it goes in the first place, I'll leave you a link from my website in the description box. You can go and check that out. Because once you understand how your body's actually working, you won't have to be chasing that glow. It'll come naturally. Black seed oil and moringa are my 2 favorite natural products that can really help to transform your body and make a huge difference. So make sure you start there. Leave us some comments how well it's working for you, and I'll see you in the next video.